Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to edit an Etsy listing using the Etsy seller application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account if you have not already. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. If you need an account, just go ahead and create one. So once we are logged in, we can get started entering the shop manager right here in the upper right corner. This is going to enable us to set up our shop. If you do not already have one, if you have one from the shop manager, we are going to go and be able to access our listings, and this is how we can get started with editing our listings. So here we can follow this Etsy Help Center article right here on how to edit a listing. We have multiple options we can follow. How to edit a listing on Etsy.com. We are going to follow this one instead. How to edit a listing on the Etsy seller application, as it's very similar to the one for the web version. You're going to sign into your application and go to your listings tab. So once you're in the application, at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see listings. This is what you want to click on and open it, and then you're going to take a look at all the listings you have. You can select the listing that you wish to edit and then make your changes. You can change the title, price, description, whatever you prefer. All of that is doable from the application. Once you're finished, just click publish, and this is how to successfully edit a listing in the application. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.